Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips By monthly tea subscription unboxing for the month of June, I think? Yeah, June. June 1st today, so I wasn't quite sure. But it does come with a card. It tells you about all your teas, caffeine levels, steeping times, all that good information, and oftentimes has promo codes for the tea companies, which is awesome. I felt something awkward in here, so this is the first thing that I'm pulling out. It's in a little tin. I could hear and feel the heaviness to it, so I knew there was something unique in here. This is by Citizen Tea, and this is chocolate hazelnut black tea. I love this little container. I'm definitely going to repurpose it. And yeah, that's cute. So it's just some loose leaf tea. Definitely smells like chocolate and hazelnut. That smells really good. I love this. Next we have from Tea Pigs, this is chili chai. There's 2 bags in each, so you can make 4 cups total with that. And then we have a dark roast. There's 4 of these. These feel really heavy. They're caffeine free, and it's roasted herbal chocolate. Dark roast, and it is organic. Very interesting. And the last one, Tea Kitten. This is cute packaging. Pina Colada Karma, and also caffeine free, and there's 4 servings in here. This is really cute. I bet this one is probably going to be my favorite, just judging by that. And then for all the loose leaf tea, which there were 2 in this box, they do include several little pouches so that you can put your tea in there and steep it that way, which I love these. They're very handy. So that comes with every box, all the boxes I've gotten anyways, because I always get a variety of loose leaf tea and tea that's in bags. So you do get different teas based on what you fill out, what you say that you like. So yours could be different than mine. So if you guys would like to join, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.